Hello, I think this is part 4. Sorry it's been a while, my computer broke down so I had to wait for new RAM replacements. Suddenly the old RAM burnt. It was only less than 3 weeks old RAM. Anyway, because of the RAM burnt, the Unity project got damaged, so most of the code was rewritten, as you'll see in a minute. First, I already did the draggable icon, I just want to show you what it looks like. See, when you press these add here, and there's already a bug. Good. What's wrong now? Wait, worked a second ago. Oh, that's weird. And I think I know why. Give me a sec. I think there's something about ID0 I added. I haven't got a computer for 3 weeks now, so I can't remember. So that the first time for both of us, basically. So let's see if this fixes it. Yeah. See, as you see here, we could pull this. And don't worry, I'm gonna modify this everything. I'm gonna add into a dry window, so it'll be a lot nicer looking. So now, for a quick mess up, I did this. As you see, you can add these stuff here. And we add another object. Oh wait, I forgot to do it. So let's say we add these two, and we pull this here, and then you press this. Automatically adds between the empty spaces. First, when you see this script, you're gonna be like, "Oh god, this is a lot and a lot." Don't worry, this is just manual. I mean, it's like pure manual writing. I could easily make this shorter and quarter the size. I just want to make everything work by one. So basically, I'll tell you slowly by slowly what's going on, because even I don't remember. So we'll both be learning. So first of all, I'll start with the basics. The way this works. First, look. First, when we first press the mouse and we drag it, I make sure that the first position of the mouse will be added to a variable, and then when we release the drag on the mouse, the second position we add it to a variable. And here, as you see, this is the first position in the XY coordinate, and this is the second position. And from here, it checks coordinates one by one. I'll be explaining very detailed, so if you're panicking, don't worry. First of all, we're going to be changing all of this, so there'll be a lot of deleting stuff. First, let's see, where should I start? First of all, I want to make this code a lot cleaner. The window rect here. First, let's add a window rect. I don't remember how to add one. This should work. Window rect to my window. Please don't tell me I deleted to do my window thing. Right. The reason I'm going to make a window is it'll be a lot more manageable to code and a lot more easier to understand. And you can make the window bigger so you can add, like, how should I say, a little screen when you have the armor and stuff. Yeah, this is the one I was looking for. Window rect. Do my window. So, yeah, we have a window rect here. First of all, I want to delete all these stuffs here. Some more useless stuff. Void, do my window. Do my window. Sorry, it's just been a while for me as well, like you see. And I open Unity in a week, and I'm moving tomorrow, so I thought to do this today. Do my window. Into window ID. That'll be 0 as it shows there. Window. It's got window ID. So, yeah. So let's see. So we get this here. It's not draggable yet. We need to make it draggable. We only want the top part to be draggable. I should really get rid of all of the, not delete them, because I'll be explaining them and we need them. And good, there's something blocking this bit here. This looks like it's out of thing. Yeah, so we do it now. What's the script to make it draggable? UI drag. So we add this bit here. And we don't want the whole thing to be draggable. So this be X, Y, I think. We want it by 10 to be 600, so let's try like this. Yeah. What the? Bit more. Increase it by 20. Yeah, this is a lot more better. Now, we want to add the dry buttons in here, so we'll do a for loop. Dry button. Do you want a new X? Or do it all we want to with X? No, I can't remember, sorry. But I should be able to do it. So, first let's make this. We don't want X, we want a special M. We call this M. Into M. M is less than 20 because we want 20 buttons. Because when your icon's draggable, you need to have it a limit really. Makes it a lot easier to do. So I'm a bit sick as well today. So X. Remember, this one's, I think this bit was XY, size by X, size by Y, and icon you want. So we'll want it to be, we want it to increase by 70, I think. So I want to make it int X here. Is plus equals 70. Then we go X. Then we need a Y icon. We need a now for loop, damn it. So that's a straight mistake. This will be M, might be instead. Yeah, less than 20. Plus plus. Plus one here. And that's what happens. Because x1. Add this bit here. Okay, something funny going. Ah, damn it, now I get. God, it's been a while. So you want for each. First, let's just try. Plus equals 70. So, yeah, but this will make it 20. So you want each row to be 5. So not. This one will 20 to 4. Not there. God. Didn't do this bit. Want it to be x1. Then you want, yeah. I want another one called int year 1. I've already spent most of 20 minutes to try and figure out. So you want it to start at 0, then you want year 1 plus equal 70. Then you want year 1 to equal 0. Year 1. It has to be 20 because you need the icons here as well. The range icons has to be up to 14 or something. But it's not 20. I'm not making 20 because I'm making about 14. That. You know what? So I find this for loop. My brain's a bit dead, so I just go copy paste this here. Change these positions. Oh, let's go. Damn it. And what now? Nope. Want this to happen about 14 times. Okay. Oh, no, I want to copy. We'll find out if it's a lot. And it's by calculators. So I can just calculate the things. I'll just come to this one. Like I said, sorry about it. It has just been too long. So I've all these stuff. I was the one who wrote this, so I should be able to do it. So we want the first one to start at 0, 0. We want the second one to start at 70, 0. We want the third one to start at 140, 0. This would be 210, 0. 210 will be 280, 0. Because the icons are 64 by 64, if you want some space between them, you just increase it by an extra 6 pixels. You can make it 64 by 64, but it'll be just too close. So let's see, 280. So we start from 0 again. This time we want to add one on the y-axis. Then we start from 70, 70. 140, 70. 210, 70. 280, 70. I'll be explaining my sort of code as well. Just want to get these window work done quickly. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 8, 0, 140. 70, 140. 140, 140. 210, 140. 140. I need to do a bit more. So while I'm doing this, I'll basically explain something quickly. Thing is, what's it called, the inventory in the beginning, all the way, let's go to start function. You see, this is the length of inventory. See, you know what I told you about lists? The inventory list. List, you use add, so you don't define it really, like array, you just add it to it. So we add out of the bag array, you know the array we created in the beginning, the third one, right? See? 0, 1, 2, 3, this will be the third one. I made the id -1. So the inventory list will be full of 20 non-textured 2D icons, as you see here. Non-textured, because you need to define it before you can make it draggable. You'll understand as I explain. First of all, I need to improve the window rect again. I just want to add a 5 to see. Should add a 5, add a 10 on this side. Shouldn't really make 80. So here will be 75. Yeah, so let's see. Ah, shit. I still need to make a lockdown. After the 10. Nine, 18, 19, 160, 160. Yeah. Because if I don't mess around the draggable thing, all just screws up. Very close. Yeah. So we make it like this. Good. Was it possible to get the position of a draggable window? And to find the position of a draggable window. So basically, like I said here, look, in GUI you have to use event, and current. So as you see here, if the event.current type is mouse down, if I holding the mouse down, mouse and best 2, mouse T true, mouse 1. These are just quick things I added. I'll be explaining them as well. A lot of stuff in here. It's gonna take at least hours to explain. So basically I want to get this thingy done. And then there's this bit here. So right, we've got the window done right now. Down there we've got this one here. Shit. I need to think for a second, wait. See these 210s. I'm gonna have to change all these 210s to the other one. It should really work. I want to try something quickly. Yeah, automatically it's add, but you can make it draggable now. Unless you move it to the middle of the screen. A bit more to the middle somewhere. It checks, so it won't let me mess around. And I think my time's up, so I'm gonna do nothing. I need to find if it's possible to get the coordinates of a draggable window, add that to here.